Hello and a warm welcome to everyone. Today I am delighted to take you on a tour of Edugree, Siliguri's first multi-skill institute. My name is Simran and I'll be your guide today. To my left you will find our reception, designed with the elegance and comfort of a 5-star property, which helps the students to navigate their path to success in the world of aviation and hospitality. And to my right is our grooming room, dedicated to helping students refine their professional appearance and enhance their confidence. Now please fasten your seatbelts as we embark on our tour of our practical rooms. Designed with inspiration from flight interiors where students get hands-on experience of real-world cabin design. Our hospitality mock room allows students to practice and perfect their service skills in a realistic and professional setting. Behind me is our computer lab, which is designed with aesthetics and functionality in mind. This is a place where technology meets creativity. A modern, fully equipped space designed to support the academic and professional growth of students, which helps them to stay ahead in digital world. But wait, here is something special. I am right now in the media room, the place where the students are trained to face the limelight with confidence, equipping them for success in a world full of media and communications. These are our counseling rooms, where our expert counselors offer personalized guidance to the students to help shape their future. Whether you need academic guidance, career planning, or emotional support, our counseling rooms provide a safe and nurturing environment to help you achieve your full potential. Speaking of our experts, let me introduce you to the passionate individuals who makes all this possible with background in aviation and hospitality. They bring a wealth of experience and the right knowledge to guide you on your career path. So what are you waiting for? Book your tickets now for an incredible journey in aviation and hospitality management at Edugree Siliguri.